Hey everyone, I want to provide you guys with a demo on how the Role Model AI platform works. So first we're going to start by logging in. You can do so by simply just putting in your username and password. That you should have created that on the launcher before you even got to the Role Model AI section. Well, glad to help you get your own account and get set up. So let's start by logging in. Now FreeChat has two options when you first start. You have create your new avatar or load your avatar. Now, if you have already been on this platform, you can hit load avatar and you will see your saved avatars here. So you can see I have one saved avatar already inside my profile. But let's say I didn't, I want to create a new one. I'll just hit create new avatar. And what that does is gives me two choices to create an avatar with Role Model AI and also to create an avatar with Ready Player Me. It's very simple to create one with Role Model AI. You can do so by just giving it your picture of the person you want to create, whether it's you or someone else, and literally it creates the avatar from there. Ready Player Me, simple as well. If you already have a Ready Player Me avatar, all you have to do is hit the share link on Ready Player Me, take that GLB link, and you can put it right inside Role Model, and it will populate your avatar there. So let's start with a Role Model AI avatar. I can, like I said, create it by selecting a photo and also choosing if I want to be male or female. And I can say select photo, go right to where I have mine, which is me here. And then it will start computing and generate this avatar. This does take about 1 to 3 minutes depending on your computer speed and internet speed. But normally it's really fast. As you can see, we're already at 52%. We can give this about, let's say, another 30 seconds, and then we should have the avatar populated by that. So as you can see now, it's downloading the model. Once it's finished downloading, which it is now, you'll see the avatar pop up. If you're using a male, the male will be in a suit like this. The females are in more casual clothing, but we're adding a lot more clothing options as the weeks go by. And we'll make announcements directly on AppSumo, on Twitter, on Instagram, and any of our social profiles to help you understand what the new updates are going to be. So let's say I like everything that this avatar is right now based on a profile picture. I can hit continue, or if I don't like it, I can try again. But let's continue. So what you would do first is you will have to name the avatar. This actually tells the avatar its personality and who it is. So for me, I'm going to put my name. And then from here, I would choose the voice type. I could choose male or female, depending on what type of voice I want to use while speaking to it. And then the background is one of the most important pieces for the avatar because this is what gives the avatar its expertise of what you want it to be. So if you want it to be a doctor, you want it to be a lawyer, you want it to be a social media expert to help you with your content, whatever it is, you can do so by giving it the story that it is that, and then it'll believe that and also get more information to support that theory. For example, I could say Milan is the founder of Self Labs and Role Model AI. Once I'm done with that, I'll hit save. This does take about a minute. Again, depending on your internet speeds, this does have to communicate with our backend to create the AI brain for you. But once the AI brain is created, you'll see this menu and the avatar will populate here. Now from here, you're able to actually have 3 options to talk to your avatar. You can hold the mic to speak to it if you want to speak out loud and speak to your avatar. You can chat to your avatar by typing to it by hitting the keyboard. And then if you want to start using custom models or abilities, you can do so by hitting this button down here. So let's say I wanted to just type to my avatar. I would hit type and then I would say hi. After I say hi,
Hi there. How can I help you?
So now I just want to ask it, who are you?
I'm Mylan, the founder of Self Labs Inc., Role Model AI. How can I help you?
You can see, since I put that in his background, he's able to regurgitate exactly what I gave him. And if I gave him more information, he'll be able to do even more. So now let's go into the store, for example, because this is where you would buy your abilities. Now here you can see I do have most of the GPT models built inside of my profile already because obviously we were creating it and I had it already bought. But if you do not have any abilities, so if you go to this section here and you don't see any abilities, you would just go to the store, right? So you can see I already have 2 of the abilities available in my profile, which is generate image and generate and explain a video. And you can do so by hitting these options. If you do not see these options inside this section here, you have to go to the store and use your Yoda coins to purchase them. So now let's say I want to generate an image, for example. I can do so by either saying the prompt. So I can, for example, say, hey, create a snowy mountain. And it will do so by creating that snowy mountain in a new browser window, or I can type the prompt and say the same thing. So in this example, I'm going to just say snowy mountain. Actually, you know what? I'll say rock. So we'll say rock. And from here, you'll see that it says, please wait, image is being generated. A new browser window will open up with your image. And then what this does is that once it's done generating your image, it will open up your internet browser and provide you with that image. From that point, you can save, copy, and use that image how you would like. And it's free of commercial use to do so. So as you can see, it did generate an image of a rock for me. And now I can take that image and do stuff with it. And like I mentioned, there's a plethora of abilities that are coming out. We have about 50 abilities coming out over the next month. And each ability will give you a new set of tasks that you can complete automatically with your avatar by simply just speaking to your avatar and saying, hey, I want to do this. So this platform is a full-blown AI assistant platform. And I hope this provides a lot of clarification of what role model AI is, because there was a lot of questions coming from AppSumo. So I wanted to just give you guys this simple demo to show you how this works. But before I go, I wanted to show you two more things. Now, let's say I want to change my avatar. I can do so by going back to this section here. Now, since I showed you that I created my avatar with you, you'll see that there's a second avatar now on this load screen. So I can easily go back to my avatar that I created by just hitting the second load. And then once it's done, it'll come right back to the screen and do so. Now, let's say I didn't want to keep the same bio for that avatar and I want to change its expertise. I can do that by going to modify avatar info, and I can change its expertise here by giving it more information. So let's say I say, hey, Milan is the founder of AppSumo, which I'm not, obviously, but we're going to do this for this example. So now I could easily do so by typing to the avatar and now saying hi.
Well, hi there. I'm Milan, the founder of AppSumo. We're a software development company that specializes in creating custom apps for businesses. We help businesses streamline their operations, increase their efficiency.
Now you can see that he has a description of AppSumo inside of his bio, so now he's using that in his talks. I would need to provide him a little more information about this because he's combining another brain that I have built into my avatar with this, but you can easily do that by providing at least 2 or 3 sentences of exactly what type of expertise you want. Like I said, I really hope this clarifies how this whole program works. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out at support@rolemodel.ai, or you can reach out to me directly at milan@selflabs.xyz. It was great showing you guys this demo. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you guys soon.